My name is Syed Basha. I am studying 5th class, Krishnaveni High School.
Health.
Healthy.
Vaccine.
VACCIN.
Medicine.
MEDIC. MEDICN.
Hospital.
HOSPITAL.
Doctor.
DOCTOR.
Nutrition.
NUTRITIONIST. Nutrition.
Zoologist.
ZOOLOGIST.
Next.
My name is Mayashmi Naidu.
Photosynthesis.
PHOTOY.
Wrong. Science.
SIC.
Wrong. Biology.
BOLIGO.
Wrong. Chemistry. Next.
My name is Jashindra. I am studying 5th class in Krishnaveni High School.
Science.
SCIENCE.
Physics.
PHYSICS.
Environment.
ENVIRONMENT.
Ecosystem.
ECOSYSTEM.
Sound.
SOUND.
Light.
LIGHT.
Force.
FORCE.
Next. Science.
SCIENCE. Science.
Chemistry.
CHEMISTRY.
Biology.
BIOLOGY. Biology.
Ecosystem.
ECOSYSTEM. Ecosystem. HABITAT. Habit. My name is Rishikesh Krishna. I am studying 5th class in Krishnaveni High School.
Energy.
ENGRY.
Solar.
SOLAR.
Motion.
MOTION.
Water.
WATER.
Weather.
WATHER.
Climate.
CLIMATE.
System.
SYSTEM.
Tissue.
TISSIU.
Next.
My name is Saidaj Kumar. I am studying 5th class in Krishnaveni High School.
Cell.
SELL.
Star.
STAR.
Earth.
EARTH.
Planet.
PLANET.
Galaxy.
GALAXY.
Space.
SPACE.
System.
SYSTEM.
Next.
My name is Varun. I am studying in 5th class Krishnaveni High School.
Health.
HELTH.
Wrong. Science.
SCINES.
Physics.
PHYSICE.
Pollution.
PHOLUSIE.
Light.
LIGHT. Light.
Motion.
MOSCER.
Wrong. Force.
SPORE.